Nganza kwethu ngiyabonga kakhulu. This is a team of some of the employees of Freedom Stationery. And njobaningi abasebenzi base Freedom Stationery. Freedom Stationery isenihlukumezile kakhulu ngokuthi ngixoshwe unlawfully ngiphinde futhi ngingakhokhelwa amabonus. Ngaphe kwalokho they further do ukuthi nina misiwe baqashe abanye abantu ukuthi basebenze, which is totally wrong. Ngithi ke mina nganza kwethu leyo mpi sizoyinqoba ngoba ngomhla ka-15 sebeshilo ukuthi bacela ukuhlangana nathi. And nami ke njengomongameli wamabhingu anulwelayo ngikunikela kwami nempilo yami ekutheni nisizakale. I will never back down. This I can assure you. Osisekelele Africa. And baningi abantu abakhathazekile in the workplace njengani. Some are more than you. Kodwa mina ngiqinisekisa ukuthi njengoba sibambene kanjena nje sizosuka la siyohlangana nabanye abasebenzi. Lokho kusinikeza ukuthi nani be a strong team leaders so that we fight this together peacefully and lawfully, not unlawfully. Whomever come and step us here will show that motherfucker in middle finger.
Sihlangile ngenyanga odlule uNkulunkulu engcwele uyizwile usami ikhalo zethu nokukhala kwethu uNkulunkulu engcwele sisibezele kangaka oselungileyo sola oselungileyo udala oselungileyo uNkulunkulu enamandla uthe oselungileyo masibiza uyasabela Nkosi kuyisikhathi manje oselungileyo abanye bahambile asemakhala kwasementabeni uNkulunkulu engcwele phinde wasemithandazo yethu uNkulunkulu engcwele selahla kwena uzokulwa nezikole osenamandla abanye abantwana oselungileyo basaneyidingo oselungileyo abafuna usamuzezo samantwana bakho uNkulunkulu engcwele phela sami nethemba sami lechoni Nkosi wasamasa sami ngihambela phambili uNkulunkulu engcwele besenzele semqiniso sengileyo ngokuyinikela kwabo Nkosami siyabonga ngoJesu sesihlwana Nkosi cela hambe nasi indlela ngendlela eziphatha amen.